morning children. Welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday we discussed multiplication and division of subtraction. So, 4 operations completed on fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Once again division. Example 3 by 4 divided by 12 by 16. 3 by 4. After what we have to do? Product and reciprocal of 12 by 16. What you will get? Reciprocal of 12 by 16? 16 by 12. If simplify possible, you can do 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Answer 1 finally. If you don't know simplification, 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. If you don't know simplification, 3 by 4 into 16 by 12. 16 into 3. 16 3s are 4 into 12. 16 3s are 48. 12 4s are also 48. So what you will get finally? Answer 1. So like this we have to do division. Once I will repeat, I will give some examples on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us see one by one. Example 1 on addition. Four plus 5 by 7. 4 plus 5 by 7. Here one whole number and one fraction they given. One whole number and one fraction they given. So how we will add this one? Whole number part always we have to take as numerator. So denominator is 1. So LCM 7. 7 4s are. LCM of 1 7. 7. So 4 by 1 into we have to multiply with 7. 4 7s are 28 by 7. 5 by 7. 1 by 1, 5 by 7. So, now 4 by 1 we have to write 28 by 7, 5 by 7. So, now these two are converted into like fractions. So, when we are adding like fractions, just we have to add numerators. 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5 how much? 33 by 7. Like this we have to add one whole number and one fraction if they given. One more example. 3 2 by 3 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 6 2 by 5. If they given like these three fractions, then how we will add? First, here given fractions are mixed fractions. We have to convert into improper fractions. Already we know this method. 3 into 3 plus 2 by 3. 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 6 plus 2 by 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 by 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 by 5. 9 plus 2 how much? 11. 11 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. So you can add, we have to take LCM of 3 denominators. Otherwise if you don't know, if you feel difficult, first these two add, after getting the sum you can add next fraction, like that also you can do. So LCM of 3, 2, 5. These three numbers are prime numbers, so their product only their LCM. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. LCM how much? 30. So after what we have to do? First fraction what we have here? 11 by 3. So LCM how much we get? 30. So what we have? Denominator what we have? 3. 3 table 30 how many times? 10 times. So we have to multiply 10 times. 11 into 10. 11 tens are 110. 3 into 10. 30. Next fraction 3 by 2. Here 2 table 30 how many times? 15 twos are 30. So 15 threes are 45 by 15 twos are 30. Next 32 by 5. 5 table 30 how many times? 6 times. So 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18 plus 1 19. 192 by 30. So now these three converted into like fractions. Then we have to add 110 by 30 plus 45 by 30 plus 192 by 30. So 30 denominator, 110 plus 45 plus 192. How much you will get? 110 plus 45, 155 plus 195 by 30. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. So 1, 2 carrying 1, 3. 347 by 30. If the given options answers in mixed fraction, so we have to convert into mixed fraction. What you will get? 30 ones are 30. 4 carrying 7. Again 30 ones are 30. So 17 remainder. So you will write 11, 17 by 30. 11, 17 by 30. Like this we have to do. Next one more example on subtraction. Next, third example. For example, 1 plus 3 by 7. 1 means 1 by 1. So, or 7. Directly we can multiply. 7 ones are 7 plus 3 by 7. 10 by 7. Like this. Next, one more example on subtraction. 2 minus 5 by 3. So 2 whole number. So we have to take denominator as 1. So directly you can multiply with 3 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 1. 1 by 3. Or we can do LCM, taking LCM 1 into 3 3, like this also same method only, you will get same answer. Next one more example. 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 5. If they given like this, how we will do? First, add these two fractions. 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4. So LCM, how much you will get? LCM of 7, 4. 7, 4 are co-primes. 7, 4s are 28. So 3 by 7. 7 table 4 times 28. So 12 by 28. Next, if you take 1 by 4, how many times? 7 times 7 by 28. So what you will get? 12 by 28 plus 7 by 28. 12 plus 7 by 28. How much you will get? 19 by 28. If you add these two, what is the sum you get here? 19 by 28 minus 2 by 5. So after getting the sum, we have to subtract that. So what is here? Again we have to do LCM of 28 comma 5. Otherwise we can take directly 4. Same, first these two we have to add, again subtraction. Like that also you can do. So 28 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 40. 140 LCM. So 19 by 28 into how many times? 5 times. 19 5s are 95 by 140. Next, 2 by 5 into how many times? 28 times. 28 2s are 2 8s are 16. 56 by 140. So then we have to subtract 95 minus 95 by 140 minus 56 by 140. So these are like fractions. So we have to subtract only numerators. 95 minus 56. How much we will get? 95 minus 56. 15 minus 6. 9. 8 minus 5. 3. 39 by 140 answer. Like this we have to do addition and subtraction of fractions, like fractions.